Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I've done a YouTube video for you. Those of you that are in my Facebook group would know that we had a bit of a situation develop a month or so ago where we actually ended up with 5 kids in our care here living in our house with pretty much no warning, and that happened at a time where we were really busy with the processing of all the orders from the sale. So I have been very absent off YouTube and not that much on social media either, but we're back now. The kids aren't with us anymore. We're back now probably down to about a 5 business day processing time on orders now, and we'll try and keep that, we're going to try and get that even less over the next few days. But we're probably going to keep our advertised processing time the same, which has been 3 weeks, because we are coming into a busy season coming up soon as well with the Sydney planter markets. We're moving house and need to do a bit of renovations on the house that we're moving from to get it ready for our tenants, and then renovations on the house that we're moving into as well. And then we have the Brisbane planter market straight after that, and that's all happening within about 4 weeks of each other, those 3 events, and then a lot of prep leading up to those things as well. So I don't know that I'll have a lot of YouTube videos for you over that period, but hopefully once we're settled into the new place and after the markets are done, I'll be back fairly regularly on the channel with lots of new videos for you. But for today I have 2 new kit releases and some new things for Traveller's Notebooks. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I've got here. So the first kit I'll show you here is called Goal Chaser. It comes in the Ultimate Kit, which is this one here, Ultimate Kit format, the Essentials, and also Builder Kit. So this is what the full boxes look like here. The second sheet with the date covers, weekend banners, deco, and the date numbers. Check boxes. All the functional items there. Headers and little things. Got the bottom washi. These are all the washi strips. This is another full box here, and then another little box. It's a bit smaller than a full box, but can be used like the washi strips or a smaller full box if you like. And then we've got the checklist strips. These are all glitter headers and flags in 3 different sizes. And then we have the half box. The boxes are similar shape, just a little bit smaller than half boxes. Scallop labels and appointment labels. So that is the Ultimate Kit format. The Essentials looks like this. So it's the same format that I have been doing in all my kits lately, so that's that one. And then lastly we've got the Builder Kit format. So this is the full boxes sheet. It's exactly the same as in the Ultimate Kit. And the check boxes is also the same as in the Ultimate Kit. So I don't know how well you can tell, but there's a lot of detail in the background of that one. So this is the vertical sampler, the functional sampler, little things, half boxes. Again, this format hasn't changed for this kit, same as previous kits. Date covers, deco, icons, checklists, headers, washi strips, and the habit trackers, glitter headers. This is the personal washi, so there's a cut through the center there, and the bottom washi, and just another little box there because we had that space there. So that is the Goal Chaser kit. Next we have the Adventurer, which is a photo kit. This one is available in the Ultimate Kit and the Essentials. I just have the Ultimate one here with me at the moment though. So this is the first page. It's all really gentle neutral colours, this one. And that's the final sheet. So that is Adventurer. Now today, something I'm quite excited about, we are launching covers for the Traveller's Notebook. So these are all the different options that we have. I'll just zoom out a little bit so you can see it better. So these are the different options here. So these are all cut in size 5, which is a very popular size. So the designs themselves, depending on what size you buy, will depend on exactly what... I'm missing one. Okay, I'm back. I thought I was missing one, but I'm not. It's here. Alright, so these are the new covers. There is a bunch of different designs, as you can see here. So how it works, so these are all in size 5. I'll show you on this one. So depending on what size you get, the image will change slightly, just because the image will be cropped. So this is size 5, so say for example you order a size 1, the image will be cropped in probably roughly about there-ish. So what you see will change just slightly depending on what size you get and where the crop needs to be for that size. So these are the different designs. So this one is a photo one, it's a floral one. The covers are, they're a glossy cover, and then you've still got what was the original cover on the inside here like that, and then it goes into the week, or depending on what design it is that you're choosing. So that's that one. This one, this one's actually from the mystery kit. I think it was the main mystery kit. I really loved this pattern that we made for that, so I decided to turn that into a cover as well. This one's like a marble with like a rose gold vein through it. Then we've got a bunch of different ones like this. I do love this one. This one's probably one of my favorites. And these are bows, so these are the same bows from our sticker sheets. This one here, it's got a bit of gold foiling on it. This is another, like a watercolor marbly sort of one. And there's 2 versions of the dots, so we've got this pink and purple blue toned one, and then we've got a more pastel warm toned version of it. It's another one of my favorites. I love all the pinky, purpley, bluey colors, if you can't tell. So that's all the covers, and there is one more insert design that I wanted to show you as well. So this is a new style that's just been released today as well, and it's the week on 4 pages. So the first half of the week is here like this, where you got the this week, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then over the page, we've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this is the undated version. That one is now available in the store. So let me know what you think. I hope you like all the new covers and the new kits. If there's any particular designs that you'd like, or is any colors that I don't have here that you would particularly really like me to release, just send me a message and let me know. And I'll see if I can accommodate that for future designs that are coming out. So have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Bye.